Oh, guys! How many?
We're Mark and V, and this is our adventures.
Well, good morning, and here we are. Another morning in Sanur. It's quite overcast, but it does look like there's going to be a big ceremony today, so we may be very lucky and see it. I don't know. Good morning, how are you? Good. So we'll going to go and have some breakfast first, but they're setting something up here by the looks of it. So there's scaffolding going up, so I'm not quite sure what's going to happen, but it might be worth coming down at a later stage to have a look. So great to see this. Well, today we're going to do something very, very different. We're going to go to the Smile Clinic and have our teeth cleaned. We're going to have a bit of what they call teeth whitening. So can't get it done in the UK very cheaply, so we thought we'd do it here, and hopefully it's going to be really interesting for all of you lot who were thinking about doing it. We'll tell you prices, our experience, and whether we think it's worth it at the very end of it. So enjoy this one. Could be sparkling. Arrived, and we're going to wander down around the corner now to Smile. I think that's what it's called, and let's see how good it is. Will it work? I don't know. So we're going to go down now. We'll take a couple of before pictures, and then we'll take some after pictures, and we'll give you a genuine, we'll try and tell you everything as it happens, how it works, and if we think it's worth it. Obviously this is all in the interest of your information, so we'll see how it goes. It's actually on Kuta Square, so just show you. Kuta Square is looking a little bit tired at the moment. I really hope that there's a little bit of investment back here in this area, because it is just a shame. This used to be such a lovely place to come. And Cafe Sun, Warren Sun send up. We were sat there last year, looking out over Kuta Square. That's gone. But I'm absolutely sure that, given a little bit of time, COVID, again, I keep on talking about the COVID effect, but it has had quite a substantial effect. But I am surprised that Warren Sunda. Such a shame. Or did you like it in there? Even worse, considering we only found out last year they had an upstairs. Been in there a few times, never even realised it. And there's the old Matahari as well. I mean, look at that. That's so sad. Matahari hasn't gone bust though, because I've seen it, a Matahari in Denpasar, and I saw a Matahari when we were in Java as well, so obviously they're okay. They've just decided to pull out of Kuta Square. And that's a major factor of it looking like it is now, I suppose. So, we're going to go into Slow Smile, teeth whitening. And it looks like you sit in a little pond. We'll go through all the various bits and pieces as we go through the process. Here I am setting my little egg. It's very reminiscent of an old movie series, or a TV series I've seen at some stage. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set the camera up just looking at me. The ladies told me that the more you smile, the better the white.
Well, that was a really strange sensation. Slightly warming, I suppose, and tingly. But it wasn't unpleasant. I think the strangest thing really was having to grin so much. Your jaws started aching just because you were smiling and grinning. Luckily, I took a photograph before, but I've also just taken one now, so you can have a look at that as well. And hopefully there is a difference. Oh, I think there is. But of course, I'm going to convince myself since I've just spent some money, haven't I? So I'm going to go in for a second session. It's another 15 minutes. And just in case you're wondering about the technology, it's a LED light method they use with a hydrogen peroxide. And if I remember correctly, it was a 6% mix. They also told us that all their equipment was manufactured in Singapore, just to give you a little bit of extra confidence. Something else they did tell us as well, though, to make a note of, is you must be over 16 years old, not pregnant, you mustn't have had recent dental surgery, and certainly shouldn't have had any lip filler.
Well, I'll talk about it more when I get outside, because obviously there's music from behind me. But you can feel a warm sensation in your mouth. Grinning like that for the duration of 15 minutes makes your jaws ache, but I think there's a definite improvement. I don't know what you think. We've had the teeth whitening done, and I'm really, really impressed. I've gone 14 shades lighter, apparently. There was no discomfort. Seats are a little bit uncomfortable. I mean, you look at the seat, they're a little bit uncomfortable, but nothing, too wrong. Of course, I didn't use a stool. They've got stools to put your feet up on. I didn't, because I had the camera on it, and I filmed the time lapse when I was having it done. Would I have it done again? Yeah, I think I would. Really impressed. We can't eat anything for 2 hours, so it's only water for 2 hours. Apart from that, though, we can go about a normal day now. The taste of it when you take the gum shield out is a little tiny bit horrible, but as soon as you've rinsed your mouth out a couple of times, absolutely fine. So if you're thinking about having it done, why not come here? Teeth whitening at Slow Smile. Really, really pleased with it. I'll put the details up below. I believe there's a place in Seminyak, and and I believe there's another place somewhere else, but you'll find out. You can see the board there for this one. There's their board, so smile, keep whitening. Brilliant, we bought some, you can buy extra bits and pieces like this whitening charcoal. We bought some out to carry it on, and some tooth whitener pen, I think it is, that you use just to get rid of the stains. So, hopefully you found this really, really interesting, and you know, if you've been considering doing it yourself and a bit unsure, why not do it? You know, I feel fine, you know, it's great. So if you've liked this video, give us a like, and if you ain't subscribed yet, time you did, isn't it? See you in the next video, guys. Look after yourselves.